So hello friend, welcome back to the Apple Trends. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock iPhone passcode without Apple ID, without computer, without phone number and without losing any data. As you can see, this is iPhone XS and right now it's running on latest iOS 17 update. This method work on iPhone X, XR, XS Max and XS. So let's try to unlock that iPhone and press any random passcode. You can see appears on screen, iPhone unavailable. Try it again in a 5 minutes, okay, because it's attempting many kind of wrong attempts. So we are trying to unlock that iPhone within 5 minutes. Even iPhone is unavailable. So let's start video without wasting any time and try random passcode and unlock that iPhone without losing any of data. Firstly, we need to tap on emergency and type here star hash 696980 hash and star 78780 hash. Firstly, we need to try that code. You can see appears on screen. Tap on dial button and it's not working. Try again and again, but that code not working on that iPhone. So clear that, okay, don't worry about it and try the other one. Star hash 000 hash star 808069693 hash. Okay, kindly note that code on your notepad if you want to try that. Okay, tap on call, it's also not working. Press again and again. Try to unlock that iPhone with that code, but it's not working right now. Okay, no, clear that and try to other one. Star hash 8080 hash star 69693 hash star 0708 69693 hash. Okay, and try that. Okay, you can see it's also not working, it's not accepting right now that iPhone. Okay, press again and again. Okay, that also not working. So go back and press the power button and then press the low volume button. Okay, 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, now again press the power button, 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, press again and tap on emergency again. Now dial again other code star hash 08089 hash star 2530 hash star 0000 hash star 69693 hash star 0808 hash. Okay, now try that one. Okay, it's not working also. So we have just one code remaining to unlock that iPhone. If that code also not work, then we will wait for 10 minutes and come back. So try the last one. Okay, clear that. Okay, now the last code we have and we try to unlock that code on that iPhone. Star hash 0000 hash star 689 star 0808 star hash 0000 hash. Okay, try to unlock that iPhone. Press again and again. for 30 seconds. Okay, press it for 30 seconds. Press and again. I'm sure it's work for me. It's 100% working method, and it will unlock your iPhone because this is the latest method to unlock. Okay, as you can see, it's asking for enter passcode. Try the random passcode. Okay, you can see appears on screen error performing request, unknown error. Tap on dismiss, dial again, tap on again dismiss, dial again, and again tap on dismiss. Okay, now tap the cancel, and here we go. You can see appears on screen iPhone unlock without passcode, without Apple ID, and without losing any single data. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to unlock that. It will work for you. Try it carefully and follow the same method. Hope this video will help. Like, share and subscribe.